Why let your creativity sit idle when Hales can turn it into a thriving digital marketplace? We also have a big surprise for you at the end of this video, so watch till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to Utils. Today, we are stepping into the compelling world of digital marketplaces with Hales, the premium WordPress theme for creating stunning directory websites. You can sell stock pictures, premium audio, ebooks, or even software. And guess what? Hales makes the process effortless with multiple monetization options like download plans, submission fees, and promotion. Hales give you the power to turn your platform into a thriving business. As we know, there's a wave of trend where people are monetizing their creativity or hobbies. So we thought, why not help you in your creative journey? I know your question would be, what exactly is Hales? Well, Hales is a premium WordPress theme designed specifically for directory and listing websites. Hales makes the process simple and straightforward for those who want to sell all those digital stuff. You can design the website according to your needs. So yeah, that means Hales will prove that it is flexible for your business. It's packed with features that help you create a professional and functional directory site without needing any coding skills. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need any coding skills. You need to see what makes Hales so special. So let's get really deep into it. One of the best things about Hales is its easy setup. Yes. So the setup is so easy that getting started will not let you go through endless YouTube videos. After purchasing the theme, you'll find a simple zip file in your downloads. Upload this to your WordPress dashboard, activate the theme, and you're almost ready to go. Hales comes with demo content that you can import to kickstart your site. This means you get a head start with pre-designed pages and layouts that you can easily customize to fit your needs. Next, we are going to talk about is its customizable directory layouts. Hales offers a range of pre-built directory layouts that you can tailor to your specifications. Whether you want a grid view, list view, or map view, Hales has got you covered. With just a few clicks, you can change the layout to match your vision. Plus, Hales integrates seamlessly with Elementor, allowing you to drag and drop elements and create a unique design without any coding. Next is advanced search and filtering. Hales comes with powerful search functionalities that make it easy for users to find exactly what they are looking for. Visitors can search by category, location, keywords, and more. The filters are fully customizable, so you can add or remove options based on what's relevant to your directory. This helps ensure a smooth and user-friendly experience. So managing listings has never been easier with Hales. The front-end listing management feature allows users to submit and manage their own listings directly from the front end of your site. This means you don't have to handle every listing manually. Yes, users can manage their own content, which keeps your backend tidy and lets you focus on growing your directory. Hales also offers monetization options. You can set up paid listings, featured ads, and even subscription plans. With support of various payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, collecting payments gets easier. You can offer different pricing tiers and additional features to generate revenue and from your directory. Finally, let's talk about SEO and performance, which is very important. Hales is optimized for search engines, which helps your directory get found by more visitors. It also ensures fast loading times, providing a very nice experience for users. From customizable meta tags to fast, responsive design, Hales makes sure that your site ranks well and performs smoothly, keeping your both users and search engines happy. And that's a wrap on the Hales WordPress theme overview. Now it's time to reveal the big surprise that we have for you. Alright, so we are providing a discount of up to 40% on our customization services and only to the first 20 slots that are available for this huge discount. And if you miss the slot, we have a flat 10% for you. Hurry up, because every time the slots get filled up quickly. You can contact us via email IDs provided in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that bell icon, subscribe button for more. Also, if you have any questions about Hales, drop them in the comments below, or you can reach out to our website www.utils.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.